Hi, welcome to another tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today, we're going to be talking about how to export forms in both the original format and in raw format so that they can be copied and pasted. So, to start with, we want to be logged into the platform. As you can see, I'm in the Project 1 workspace and I'm currently on the dashboard. If I wanted to navigate to the Project 2 or 3 workspace, all I would have to do is click on the names of these cards. However, we're in the correct workspace for now. I'm going to go to the autofill tab, and on the form that I want to export from the platform, I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to click export. Here you'll be presented with two options. You can either request the original format, where in doing so, all of the answers that are currently on the platform will be put into the form type that you have uploaded, and it will be the exact same format. So if you've uploaded a Word document that has very specific formatting and places for the answers to go, that is what will be filled out with the answers in the correct place. However, what you can also do is you can click on the Export Answers to Copy and Paste into the original format button, and you'll be provided with options of Answers and Reference Documents or Excel and PDF. If you only want to see the answers, we can click on the Reference Documents, we can unselect that, and we can also select either PDF or Excel. Typically, people will export in the original format, but please be aware that when you do request the original format, this might take a few minutes, but you will be given a notification when it is ready to download. When it is ready to download, all you need to do is follow the steps that we just saw. So come into the autofill tab, onto the three dots, and click export. And what you'll see here, where it says request original format, is download original format. If you've got any questions about this or need any help, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left hand corner, and one of the team will be happy to help. Thank you very much.